Hey, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching SAMPATHSAMFX YouTube channel, and this is iPhone 15 Pro Max iOS 17.3 version has been updated. I have made a shorts video. For that, I got a huge response, guys. This is my first iOS device or iPhone I'm using, and recently we got a update here. And I've been using with Wi-Fi most of the time, and sometimes mobile data connection, that to Jio 5G will be working fine here for me. Those things will be matters, guys. And the new feature will be like, if you go into settings here, into Face ID and passwords, let me add my password. If you guys can see here, there is a new option called this one, stolen device protection. This is a new thing has been added in this iOS 17.3 update. If you want to read that, I will be giving this link in the description. Everyone might have read this. This is what they have given clearly. Theory has been given. You can go through that. In brief, I can say one thing is, once it get stolen, if anyone try to turn on or use any biometric, if they want to change it, if they know your passwords and passcodes and all, if they want to try to change that, that is not going to be possible now. Already the iPhone devices are a little bit secured compared to some of the other devices, but now with this feature it's more secured in my opinion. Again, check out these options, guys. Go through this. It's a little bit difficult for anyone to change passwords and biometrics or whatever it is. Once anyone get your device, or if it is stolen, they cannot change any of the things until that you will be identified. That's the main thing of this particular thing. If I'm wrong, comment down in the comment section, guys. And update all the apps in the app store, guys. Again, plenty of updates will be coming down. Go and update each and every app. As you can see, update these apps, then the UI will be fine here. And some of the features, like I don't use some of the apps like this journal, and those are actually iOS 17 features. I mostly use for this iMovie and the camera application. Majority of the times I'll shoot all my videos in 4K 30 or 60, that too HDR enabled, and I'll edit my videos in iMovie. Majority of the time things I use for this purpose only, and sometimes OTT, but majority I'll use that. And Geekbench scores, you can see here, multi-score is 7190 and single score is 2915. This is the result what I got here. Model is recognized as iPhone 16 for some reason, but iOS 17.3. let me show you the about section too. Yeah, there's a quick settings toggles, whatever we get here. I also show the 5G here. I'm just using here single US variant, guys. And again, one of my friend is also using, I bought this from US, and one of my friend also bought from US. Other friend is also bought, many together we bought this. And one of my friend facing some bug, like his battery percentage is getting decreased. Not here in the settings, will show you into the settings. If you go into about section, yeah, general, yeah, the software update, it is anyhow. Let me turn the internet connection here. Yeah, checking for updates iOS 17.3. Vehicles you have been used and all, you should check this. And apart from that, you also can come to battery settings here, and battery health and charging. You guys can see my graph here and usage. Mostly I use iMovie, as I said, YouTube and some camera. And last 10 days you can see the battery life here, what I got. This is a chart I can show you clearly. And last 24 hours, this is my experience in the battery. Actually, battery health and charging here, maximum capacity of some of my friends smartphones showing it 99, and very soon it was showing 98 also for my friend. Maybe it's a bug, I don't know, but many of the smartphones are showing like this with iOS 17.3, and even previous versions also have similar issues here. But with my device I haven't faced such issues. And one more thing, guys, I usually use this type C earphones, Apple provided type C earphones, not provided within the box. I bought it separately around 1700 or anything like that from Flipkart. And also I will use this 20 watt adapter, Apple's only. use the same, guys. Don't use some Android smartphone chargers to make a little bit quicker or anything like that. Use 30 watt from Apple at least if you want quicker, and that's the case. I don't use the MagSafe, I mean wireless charging. I don't use that much. Completely I will use with wired charging, that too usually sometimes even I charge twice a day. But this is how my battery life, it all depends, guys. As you can see, I'll use this wired C type earphones. Anyhow, we have C type now from iPhone 15 series. I'm using this one, guys, and because of that my battery life is a little bit better. I think I don't recommend anyone to use this one and other things, but definitely you should use Apple original charger, guys, to get better battery life and charging technology has been involved here. Don't use any third party chargers. Yes, definitely that will make a impact on your smartphone battery, that you need to keep in mind. Those things no one will explain in any of the videos because they thought you will be using original only. And Bluetooth, you can use any of the things, but again I recommend to go with Apple earphones Bluetooth only, because it will be most compatible with this Apple devices. And again, this version of update is released for iOS plenty of devices. Sorry, what exactly I want to say is different pattern of usages may differ in your battery life, guys. Just don't complain I'm not getting very good battery life. Definitely I'm using single SIM mostly on Wi-Fi, and I will use this type C earphones and Apple 20-watt charger. My usage is just iMovie and uploading videos, hence my battery life might good. Even some of them will just use only dialing calls, they might get even better, and some of them will use for heavy gaming, heavy tasks and all, they might lose up battery life. They will use two physical sims or two eSIMs and always connected to Apple Watch and Apple AirPods and other things, then their battery life may not be the same. That's the one thing I want to conclude, guys. Battery life is a subjective in my opinion, but definitely what my friend is getting, that maximum capacity, that need to be identified by Apple. Definitely why it is happening to some users, that degrading, that maximum capacity is getting down very soon after 99, it's getting very soon 98. That might be a bug. They need to look into that and fix that in the upcoming update. As of now, I want to say one thing, guys. If you have new devices, definitely go and update each and every update possible, because you have that warranty period, then you can ask them anything if it goes wrong. But if you want to check the video and want to update, then this update is not a issue. Definitely you get that additional features, and definitely you should use this update and go and update this, guys. No problem from my side. It might be a problem for you, then think out. This is how the video on this iPhone 15 Pro Max iOS 17.3 version update and my review on that. Soon I'll be making iPhone 15 Pro Max review also. I'm using this smartphone almost now from 1 month. Will be giving my real-time review on this smartphone also. If you're still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button down below, guys, and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like, guys. I'll be motivated to make the similar kind of videos here. And if you have any specific questions regarding this update and the iPhone, you can comment down in the comment section, guys. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.